Alright, GI Jen, time for some lightning core. So, the GI is going to be doing 30-second push-ups into 30-second uglies, back into 30 seconds of push-ups, into 30 seconds of uglies, and then a minute of planks. 15 seconds. Time. Now the key with uglies is or swimmers or whatever you want to call them, it's really just keep your knees and your elbows off the ground and do your best from there. Ten seconds. Now in this last set of push-ups, don't be afraid to do burnouts, or what other people call girl push-ups. Alright, time for push-ups. You can do it. Last set, breathe, push from those abs, you're doing great. These are burnouts, which are good to go to even before. Jen could have kept doing push-ups, but she went to burnouts 8 seconds because it allows her to keep going. 5 seconds, you got it, you got it, you got it, keep pushing. Time. And now, right into uglies. Getting a little ahead of the game.
Yeah.
About 10 seconds. 2, 1, plankaroo. And the same thing with planks. If Jen was unable to do it, try to get your butt down just a little bit, Jen. Nice job. If she got really, really tired, she could go down to her knees. It's just really about getting it done. Kind of go for a side profile here. You can see that Jen's doing a really great job. And this whole exercise, I mean, the push-ups are working your core. You see that curvature to the back? That's ideal. Flatness to the hips are tucked underneath, but the butt's not bubbling up in the air. Changing it up a little bit. It's not a bad idea to get the blood flowing around there. 15 seconds, Jen. You're doing great. 10 seconds. 2, 1. Nice job, GI Jen.
All right. Thank you.